Hello, are you looking for a laptop, affordable laptop for your YouTube work and other of your homework? Here, I got you here. This is a MacBook Pro, affordable one and so easy to use. So I'll be unboxing it with you. Look at how it looks like. I got this laptop for months ago now, but I forgot to unbox it with you. That is so good and so affordable. It is in discount. Check the link I will be adding in the description below. In case if you want, you just get it there. Look at it, so portable and so affordable. Get it for your computer work, for your homework, for any of work. So easy to use. It is MacBook Pro. Don't you like MacBook Pro? So this is the bag I got in case I'm traveling or going anywhere. I need my laptop. I will add it there and go my way. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section.